Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You'll start by confirming prerequisites so shots go straight into Google Photos. Sign into the right Google account and enable camera and photos permissions. This gives the app access to save and sync files. Once done, open the camera app or tap the camera shortcut inside Google Photos to shoot. Make sure mobile data or Wi-Fi is enabled if you want immediate backup. This prevents missed uploads and keeps your roll consistent across devices, which matters when you later organize or share images. Now focus on how to capture reliably. Use Google Photos camera to access portrait mode, motion photos, and automatic enhancements. These features help produce better images without heavy editing. Before pressing the shutter, check flash, HDR, grid lines, and resolution so framing and dynamic range match your intention. Tap the subject to lock focus and exposure, and slide exposure if the scene is too bright or dark. Once you've set these, take a few test frames to confirm results and adjust quickly. Finish by ensuring your photos are backed up and easy to find. Turn on Backup and Sync and pick Original or Storage Saver so you control quality versus space. Organize images into albums and add descriptions to speed future searches. Use face grouping and labels to automate sorting. If uploads stall or photos don't appear, check Google account, available storage, app permissions, and internet connection. Then restart the app or phone. This one troubleshooting step resolves most sync problems and gets your library.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.